Let the geek in the pink take a stab at it. If you like the way I'm thinking, baby, wink at it. I may be skinny at time, but I'm fat full of rhymes. Pass me the mic and I'ma grab at it. And isn't it delicious, crazy way that I'm kissing this, baby? Listen to this, don't wanna miss it while it's hitting. Sometimes you got to fit in to get in, so don't ever quit, 'cause soon I'm gonna let you in. But see, well, I don't care what she thinks about me now. She'll get by without me if she won't. I can be the one to take you home. Maybe we can rock the night alone. If we never get down, it wouldn't be to let down. But you don't forget what you already know. I could be the one to turn you out. We could be the talk across the town. Don't judge it by the color, confuse it for another. You might regret what you let slip away. I'm the geek in the pink. Yes, I'm a geek in your pink heart. Yes, I'm a geek in your heart. On my relationship fight, I don't mean to bother nobody, but Cupid's automatic must have fired multiple shots at her. Because she fall in love too often, that's what's the matter. At least I'm talking about, I keep my pattern of flattery and she was